Tracking developments in the nation's capital, where the Supreme Court is delivering judgment on some appeals filed by the Rivers State and other key players. A 5-member panel of the Supreme Court has unanimously declared the local government election conducted in Rivers State invalid for violating the Electoral Act. The court also ruled that Martin Amewule and 26 others remain members of the Rivers State House of Assembly and that they should immediately resume their duties as lawmakers. According to the Apex Court, Governor Siminalayi Fubara's fear of impeachment is not a justified reason for the attack on the State Assembly. The Apex Court ruled that until the House of Assembly is duly constituted and the appropriation bill presented before the Amewule-led House of Assembly, all allocations due to Rivers State remain stopped.
Thank you so much. I welcome you to Politics Today. I'm your brother, Great. As tension envelops Rivers State, Nigerians are asking, is Supreme Court now a threat to public peace? Why would the judiciary not make pronouncements that will enthrone peace in the land? Why would the judiciary not make pronouncements that will advance society, that will bring development? Why would the judiciary be an instrument of anarchy, oppression, and gross human rights violation? The judiciary will be a facilitator of all that is evil. Why only the judiciary? Why have we gotten to this sorry state? As Sowore said not long ago, that it's as if criminals have taken over the justice system in Nigeria.
We are all elected to our duties to continue to fight for a country in which citizens are not denied their rights flimsily, either by judicial or administrative procedures in our criminal justice system. The truth is that there is no criminal justice system in this country. It is criminals that have hijacked our justice system. That is the truth.
This is just after the Leporotimi book. Nigeria and its criminal justice system is trending the world over. That is when the Supreme Court is dancing naked publicly. See the tension in Rivers State. The law is clear. Everybody knows constitutional provision. And the Supreme Court will be the one garbaging out criminal lie. There is no evidence that they defected. That is what is setting Rivers State on fire now.
His learned brother, Inyang Ekwo, of the Federal High Court in Abuja, also ruled the same way, following an old judgment of the Supreme Court that was laid down in 2015 when it happened in Ondo State. So the Constitution is very clear on how these issues should be resolved and ought to be resolved, which is to the effect that these lawmakers cease to become members of the Rivers State House of Assembly constitutionally. Now, the question now will arise: what is the effect of that resolution constitutionally? The effect is that that resolution is, to the extent of its inconsistency with the provisions of the Constitution, a nullity.
That is the tension, because the people know they defected, and the people know the constitutional provision, which cannot be altered by the Supreme Court. They have no authority to amend the law. They defected, and everybody knows they defected. Why would the judiciary make pronouncements and the society will go up in flame? Why would the judiciary not enthrone justice, but be an accessory for injustice? They offer themselves willingly as a tool to enthrone injustice. Why will it be said that Supreme Court is involved in this? The highest body, the highest judicial body in the land. There is tension in Rivers State. There is tension in Rivers State. Nothing caused it other than the pronouncement of the Supreme Court. People were waiting that the Supreme Court will do the needful, and when they make their pronouncement, peace will reign in Rivers State. Lo and behold, go and see what is going on because of selfish interest. Rivers State is in a serious tension now. What caused it? Supreme Court made themselves a willing tool in the hand of the oppressors, and their pronouncement now constitutes a threat to public peace. We need to share this video. Let them continue to have their way. But one thing they will not take away from us, we must, by the grace of God, continue to have our say. Allow God to use you to publish this good work. Share this video and support the work of God by subscribing to this channel. May God save Nigeria. Thank you so much for your time.